When a year starts, goal setting really becomes a buzzing word. It is the most talked about and we all participate into it either because of curiosity or just to show off or to just be part of the chit chat along with our friends and colleagues. Even I was also doing the same thing out of curiosity as well as to show off too, let me confess. Until last year when I just thought why not to give a try to goal setting as so many people are talking about it so much. I did try and to my surprise, I really got very good results. It really helped me to be focused, I can say. It helped me to achieve more in lesser duration of time and it helped me to be more productive. Of course, some goals did not materialize while some did. Small goal or big goal, that doesn't matter. What matters is how you are creating or setting your goals and how you are following it. In today's video, I am going to discuss about 5 important or I can say 5 super important tips through which you can set your goals effectively. Please do watch this video till end because with each tip I have explained it with the help of an example to make the goal setting process more clear and helpful to you. Before we start, a gentle reminder to subscribe our channel. American author, coach and speaker Tony Robbins once said that goal setting helps you to convert invisible to visible. Categorize your goals. Categorization of your goals will really help you to visualize your achievements in various aspects of your life wheel such as career, financial, intellectual, spiritual, social, family and health. To set goals, prompt yourself with various questions. Let us take an example that you want to set your career goal. Prompt yourself with the questions like, where do you see yourself by December 2021? Or, what are the qualifications that if you achieve during this time frame will give you growth or promotion? Or what things you need to do to achieve more in your business? Well, answers to these questions will be your career goals. The second important tip is to set a timeline for each of your categorized goals. Anchor your goals with a deadline as a goal without a deadline is just a dream. As soon as we set timelines for our goals, our brain will start working by keeping end in mind. We'll also initiate various strategies and methodologies and be more focused and motivated to achieve our goals. Timelines also make clear that what we are expected to deliver and by when. For example, our financial goal is to save 20% from our annual income and say we have an annual income of 50 lakhs. That means it is now very clear for us that we need to save around 84,000 per month and that will turn out to be around 10 lakhs by December 2021. I have discussed some super important strategies about time management and money management in these videos. You can watch these videos by clicking the link in the description box below or through the card above. This brings me to the next important tip, which is power of positivity. Yes, do not underestimate power of the language and the tone that you use to write down your goals. Remember, our words, thoughts and deeds do have a boomerang effect. So, be careful what you send out. Positivity have immense power and so does the positive goal statements. For example, rather than writing, I will not be late to the office for next entire month, it is better to write, I will reach in time to the office for next entire month. A simple twist in your statement will really make it achievable and full of positivity. Nothing is particularly so hard if you break it down into small chunks, as said by Henry Ford. This brings me to the 4th super important tip of setting our goals effectively. Break down your goals into small chunks which are manageable, digestible as well as achievable. A little progress each day adds up to big results. Similarly, break your goals by time and quantity. There is a psychology behind doing this because when we break our goals into smaller chunks, each goal which is achieved, it will boost our morale and enthusiasm to achieve bigger goal or to achieve more and that is how we can gradually progress and achieve more and more in our life. Let us take for an example, you are planning to have a health goal of attaining 10,000 steps a day. So, the goal either could be divided by time or quantity. Let us say for 10,000 steps, you need 1.5 hours. You need to break this down into small chunks. So, start with 15 minutes each day. Or by quantity, say break it down to 2,000 steps a day, which will hardly take you 10 minutes. And this is how within a week, you will be able to achieve your goal. And next, super important tip for effectively setting your goal is set realistic goals. You need to have your goals which are realistic and they are designed only for you. Otherwise, what will happen is you won't be able to achieve it. And if you will not achieve it, you will get depressed. You will get frustrated. So set the goals which are achievable for yourself, because you will only know your capabilities and your abilities and liabilities. Start with small goals and move on to the bigger goals. This will help you to get into a habit of goal setting. Everything is first created in our mind and then into actions. Let us know in the comment section below that how these tips have helped you to set the goal for you in 2021. Please like, share and subscribe Sahaj Soch. Thank you for being with us.